In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an eye-catching Fiverr gig in just 3 minutes. This is a step-by-step guide, so make sure to follow along closely. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose your niche and target keyword. First, head over to the Fiverr website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, think about the service you're offering and choose the niche you're targeting. For example, if you're offering logo design services, go ahead and search for logo design in the Fiverr search bar. Step 2. Find an eye-catching gig image. Once you've searched for your niche, browse through the search results. Fiverr sellers often use very attractive and high-quality images to grab attention. Take a look at some of the top gigs in your category and find an image that stands out to you. You can use the view option to see a larger version and save the image that you think would work best for your gig. Step 3. Convert the image to PNG format. Now that you've saved the image, we need to convert it into a PNG format. Why PNG? PNG images maintain high quality and transparency, making them perfect for your gig image. To convert it, go to cloudconvert.com. On the website, click Select File to upload your saved image. Choose the output format as PNG and click the Convert button. After the conversion is complete, download the PNG image to your device. Step 4. Use Copilot to describe the image. Next, we'll make the image more personalized for your gig. Open the Copilot software. Once it's open, click the plus icon to attach your converted image. Then, in the text box, type something like, "Describe this image in detail, point by point." Click Enter, and Copilot will generate a description for the image, breaking it down into clear and concise bullet points. Wait a few seconds for it to finish processing. Step 5. Copy the description text. Once Copilot has finished, copy the text that it generated. This description is going to help you create more personalized and engaging content for your Fiverr gig. Step 6. Use Ideogram to generate new images. Now, go to Ideogram and log in with your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, paste the description text you copied into the text box. Choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the best size for Fiverr gig images, and hit the Generate button. Ideogram will take a few seconds to process, and you'll see 4 different images created based on the description you provided. Step 7. Choose your preferred image. Out of the 4 images, pick the one that you think best represents your gig. Once you've decided, download the image to your computer. Step 8. Adjust the image using Canva. Finally, let's make sure the image fits perfectly for Fiverr. You may need to adjust the dimensions to meet Fiverr's requirements. Go to Canva and upload the image you downloaded. Use Canva's simple editing tools to resize and adjust the image to a 16:9 aspect ratio, if needed. You can also tweak the image to make it look even better, add text or other design elements if you want. Final step, upload your gig image to Fiverr. Once your image is perfectly sized and designed, head back to Fiverr. Create a new gig or edit your existing gig, and upload the eye-catching image you just created. Make sure your gig title, description, and pricing are on point to attract customers.